Hi everyone, I'm in the middle of doing your impromptu phone calls or phone interviews, and I've had several of you ask me about your upcoming Speech 2 in which you need to present to a live audience and just concerns over how to do that and how to do it properly. So what you will be doing is briefly at the beginning of your speech showing us your audience members in order for me to count them and to make sure that they appear to be adults. Now, adult is a somewhat objective term. Many consider 18 and above. I have had a few students, especially if the topic is appropriate, have people about 16 and up, but I would like to have it be 16 and over. And you're welcome to have kids in the room, but they don't technically count as your audience members, and you are welcome to have more than 5. You can do this at whatever setting you feel is appropriate, whether that's home or office or school. And so quickly pan the audience with your laptop or phone, show them first, and then bring the camera back around to you. So the most crucial part is that I'm able to see them right away, that I can count them, and that I know that you're actually presenting to them for your speech. You may also ask one of your audience members to hold your laptop or recording device for you so that they show the audience and then they show you. Either way works as long as I can at the beginning see who is in your audience and that they're there and you're presenting to them. I just ask that you don't show me the audience and then present your speech elsewhere and not have them watching you, because the purpose of this is to present to a live audience so that I know that you are getting that experience, and you will probably get some feedback from whomever you've asked to watch your speech, and that's great, because presenting in front of an audience is different than presenting to a webcam. For instance, you have a lot more leniency with where you can look. When I am presenting these speeches to you, I only have one little dot that I need to focus on, which I feel is pretty limiting. When you're presenting to an audience, you can pick people in your area to look at, and they're usually nodding and smiling and giving you that positive feedback with their body language that I think is really helpful and really feeds the speaker, especially when things are going well. So take advantage of that and note that, and I hope that addresses the questions that you might have about your upcoming speech in which you need an audience, but if there are others, please do let me know. Have a good day.